Hi, friends!
Welcome to Berthierville, a charming city nestled in the heart of Lanaudière, Quebec. Let's take a bird's-eye view tour of this historic town. Berthierville may be small, covering just 7 square kilometers, but it's big on character and history. Home to over 4,000 residents, Berthierville has long been a bustling hub in the region. In 2007, Berthier celebrated its 335th anniversary. The town's roots trace back to 1672 when Mr. Alexander Berthier acquired the lordship, giving the town its name.
Thank you very much.
Nestled on the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, Berthierville offers a plethora of activities along this iconic waterway. Experience the majesty of the St. Lawrence River by strolling along its banks, snapping photos of its scenic vistas, or embarking on a leisurely ferry ride. Église Sainte-Geneviève is a historic gem nestled in the heart of Berthierville. Classified as a historic monument, it stands as a testament to Berthierville's rich history. Built in the late 18th century and modified in the 19th century, this stone church boasts a neoclassical facade flanked by two elegant towers topped with bell towers. Adjacent to the church is the presbytery, an imposing stone building with Second Empire influence. Its grandeur reflects the importance of the priest in traditional society, with a pavilion-roofed gable and a symmetrical facade that exudes timeless elegance. Surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking the St. Lawrence River, this historic site offers a picturesque panorama. It's no wonder Église Sainte-Geneviève is considered a terrestrial landmark, dominating the village core and providing a stunning backdrop for visitors.